Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Panasonic SC-AKX18 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for basically one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo, for example, it's not responding, the buttons are not working, or if it won't connect to Bluetooth, it won't pair with your device. Anything like that where you're trying to fix it, you're trying to troubleshoot it, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete all the pairing history off of it so you can set it up on a new device, or just wipe all your presets off. This is going to do all that. It's going to restore it to its out-of-the-box settings. All we need to do if we want to do this is we're just going to go ahead and unplug the device, the stereo first. Once we've unplugged it, we're going to wait 3 minutes. And then after the 3 minutes is up, or at least 3 minutes is up, we're going to come and press and hold the power button before we plug it in. Alright, so press and hold the power button, and then while pressing and holding the power button, then you're going to come and plug it back in and just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, and you should see eventually on the display, it should just come up on the display, just a whole bunch of dashes all the way across the display. Once that happens, you can go ahead and release the power button, and the stereo has been reset to its factory default, so you can set it up as a new device.